The All-American Auto Group's top priority has always been and will always be the safety and well-being of our customers, staff, vendors, and anyone else we interact with on a daily basis. We want you to know that we've been taking additional measures to ensure that you feel confident about your health while doing business with us, whether it's purchasing your next vehicle or getting maintenance work done on your vehicle. Our award-winning service departments are currently offering a complimentary certified clean sanitizing solution for your vehicle with any service. With the use of this EPA-registered technology, harmful germs and microbes are safely eliminated and your vehicle gets a clean and healthy fresh start. Our service departments continue to offer pickup and delivery so you can stay in the comfort of your home, and we'll take care of everything for you from oil changes to recalls. Some of the offerings do vary throughout our stores and availability will differ as well. On our sales side, we have always offered the latest tools on our websites that allow you to fully purchase a vehicle online or over the phone, and we will flatbed deliver it to your driveway. We're happy to assist you throughout the process over the phone, by email, or via text. It's something that customers have been taking advantage of for years. We pride ourselves on being one of the top auto groups in the nation. We are here to help with all of your automotive needs on your preferred terms. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon.